Hello, everybody. My name is Robot Nightmare Pyro General, and welcome back to this brand new reaction video. And also, please remember, and also, here's the note. So the note is that I will be coming back for a break, like at the 9th. So pretty much August the 9th, I will actually return, and I'll be probably darn it, I can't even talk. Why? Why can I not even talk now? Okay, so here's how I'm going to explain it. So anyways, before I will say this again, is that yes, I'll return on the 9th, pretty much on August, and also I will find out some ways how to beat the security night owl, to guard that red tent. So pretty much I'll try to at least to see what I can do. So pretty much there's a lot of things going around in that pretty exactly. So yeah. So anywho, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to hit the like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, and don't forget to subscribe to the original person, the original creator, and support the original video. Anyway, we're going to be reacting to is if dogs and cats had a rap battle. Ooh, this is going to get good for the kings of the house, of the house, with dogs and the cats. Man, this is going to get good. But anyways, hopefully this reaction video would pretty much be hilarious. But anyway, again, let's see how this can turn out, and let's see how this goes. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the original person and creator and support the original video. Anyways, yeah, so it's down over there. So pretty much. Here we go. Let's go with a B. Whoa! Damn, let's go. Oh no. What? Find their poop. Oh my god. Ooh. True. Whoa. Sick for the dogs move. Okay. We're seeing some good action here. All right, let's get to the cats. Oh boy, let's see if the dogs get in trouble for this. God, I just love these beats. Okay. Wow. Damn. Why these little dogs always thinking they a guard? Dogs are so annoying, you belong in a barn. Yeah, you got me on my last okay. Talking about yarn. Yeah, we got the noise. You know cats are fast. If a dog try to catch us, we be out there in the dash. I try to teach a dog how to finally have class, cause they be drinking from the toilets and just eating from the trash. Yeah, do not get a dog if you want a nice home. I'ma bite this dog, I'ma put him in a cone. Dogs are the messiest pets you could own. I'ma call them all tramps cause they always want a bone. What? Oh my god, this is just sick. Wow. Okay.
Okay, really? Is this even a competition? Like, dogs are so much better than cats. That's just a known fact. You're just mad that you don't have the class or dexterity of a cat, darling. Maybe you got up off your lazy ass sometimes. Okay, you think I want to be one of those stupid walks you always go on? That's so stupid. You know? Whoa.
What the?
Houston, we have a problem.
A bird? What? No way, son. No way. Was that a bird? Oh my god, a bird was gonna lit the whole thing up? Wow. Okay then, that was different. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.